high-cost treatments. The problem focuses on the lack of access and adherence to cancer treatments. Here we can divide into 3 points. The first focus on oncological patients and biopharmaceutical both needs to guarantee access and adherence to the treatments that the state finances. On the other hand, cancer patients need information, planning and monitoring of their symptoms from diagnosis. If not, this results in missing information, self-medication, and lack of treatment. This point is very important. Last point, and no less important, biopharmaceutical needs patients to comply with their treatments to acquire their drugs. However, there is no knowledge of the specific needs of its users because there is no direct communication between pharmacists and patients. People who raises, we propose a virtual assistant service that is empathic, fast, and easy to use. Through this system, people has two-way communication between the patient through appointment or medication reminders, agreed information, and constant monitoring of their symptoms. Besides, people provides a pharmaceutical company with actionable insight regarding the profile and barriers that its user facing access their treatment. People provides a channel of access to the patient support programs (PCPs). They are provided by the pharmacist with the aim of closing adherence and access gaps. But why at this moment? Because it's urgent for the pharma. It says in emerging countries have raised due to the rising prices in biological treatment, increasing spending, high investment only in warranting the reputation of its users, adherence to treatment, and adding more value to its products through PCPs to justify the cost effectiveness of its drugs. More client for us, the percentage of new pharmaceutical company that we launch a blockbuster will be 84%, increases competitive in the market and the demand for products such as a people. Our business model is based on B2C, so that any patient can use a free version of the platform. In this way, information is collected to improve the product and to know which pharmaceutical company provides our user treatments. And B2B to C, in the pharmacies pay 100 per month per enrolled patient to obtain patient insight journey. Make your support programs available to the patient and get real-time alerts on patients who need treatment. There is a premium version with greater assistance, reporting, and prioritizations against possible barriers to adherence or access to treatment. What is the market size? There are 3 million cancer patients in Latin America who need biological treatment. The annual ticket per patient is 1,200. Therefore, the total current addressable market results in $4 billion in the current year. In addition, the prevalence of cancer will grow by 60% in the next decade. Project a market for 2032 of $6 billion. A vertical expansion is planned as a patient solution engagement, which addresses as a market 41 billion by 2025-27. What is competition and differentiation? There are similar proposals, but they are not present in Latin America. They don't connect with the specific needs of this area. The health system in Latin America is very specific. What stresses us, the people think knows the industry, the patient and has acknowledgement in data management. In addition, we are close because of the language, which the current proposals are becoming a barriers for virtual assistants. Traction, what have we been doing? We began to test pilot one, in which WhatsApp is opportunity for use by patients, most of whom are more predisposed to use this channel and avoid calls or video calls. What do we do now? Now we are launching pilot 2, the purpose of which is to validate the need for the product, of which up to now there are 5 subscribes who are the monitored daily. The team is made up of Piero Cosme, CEO. He has experience in the pharmaceutical field. He worked at Johnson and Roche. He was also the founder of the project in NetTech. Brigitte Ocampo is COO. She's characterized by forming social projects. She's the founder of YU, a project in agriculture and food, and she knows the pharmaceutical industry. She works at Roche. Leonardo Torres is CTO. He is currently a research assistant at the University of Alberta and has extensive experience in AI and data management. Reminder, taking control of your cancer treatment has never been easier.